Welcome to Smartphone Made Easy. Is the text on your phone too small to read? In this video, I will show you how to make text bigger in just a few simple steps. The instructions work both for Android phones and iPhones. Let's get started. Open the Settings app. Swipe down. And then tap Display. On the next page, swipe down. Tap Font Size and Style. Move the slider to increase the text size. Switch on both fonts here. Check the preview here. Tap here to exit. Now, let's look at the before and after. Open the Settings app. Tap Display and Brightness. Then, tap Text Size. Drag the slider to make the text larger. Tap here to exit. Now, let's look at the before and after. If the font size in your browser hasn't changed, tap this icon and tap here. Use these two buttons to adjust the font size. I hope you have successfully made the text bigger on your phone. If you are not sure about any of the steps, don't worry. You can always come back and watch this video again anytime. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any future smartphone tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.